How to set up and use these Bailixin Lavalier mics. This set comes with the 2 mics plus the receiver, and the receiver has both the end for the iPhone and USB-C, so it can be used on an Android phone and also any kind of camera or anything like that that has a USB-C port for the microphone. So to start with, we can just plug it in. This is an iPhone, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here, and then I can just turn this on, come in the back, press the power button, and you see these two are blinking. That means because this can be a receiver for both of these 2 mic transmitters. Neither of them are on right now. So then what I want to do is I want to come in and find the power button on each of the mics and just press and hold it. And you can see this blinks because it's trying to pair. Now it has paired. It's become solid. And so it's solid there. So now this is now connected to the receiver. And I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Come in with the power button, turn it on. It's blinking because it's trying to pair. Now it has automatically paired with the receiver, so it is paired with the receiver. Now I can adjust the volume on each of these transmitters, and then also I can also mute each transmitter by just double tapping the power button. So if I just go tap tap, you can see the mute button is now, the mute light is now lit up, and then I can tap tap again and it comes off mute. And I can also do the reverb reduction as well with a triple tap. 1 2 3, that comes on. 1 2 3. And that goes off. And then when the battery is low, it will have the indicator here, and this will light up and blink when the battery is low. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And if you're interested in these mics, I will put a link below.